money on everybody that's following you. Obviously, if they profit, then only you profit. So that's why it's your responsibility to make sure that they're profitable. But the good part is that while, if you were making, let's say, 30% profit on your own deposit, which was $10,000, so you were making like $3,000 a month. Now, if you have people following you, even if you're making like, $10,000 for people, you're getting 3,000 from that. That is not your own capital. You're getting a profit share because people are following you as a trader. So again, as a trader, you get exposure to a huge community without doing any extra work yourself. So it's rewarding both ways. For somebody who doesn't want to trade or doesn't, they benefit from years of experience, because to become a trader takes a lot of experience, some losses, actually sometimes a lot of losses, because everyone learns it the hard way. It takes discipline, and trading is something that you cannot do as a side hustle. Seriously, if you want to make good money from trading, you have to do it full time as a trader. So you don't have to do that, but still, like anybody who's spent years in trading, gain that experience, and has now that got good performance, you can simply copy them, you can simply follow them, pay them a part of the profit, and make huge profit just without actually even, or maybe by just by lifting a finger. So over to you, Rohit. This is a great community that we have here. Please help them understand the system really, really well, so that they can actually duplicate it. And I would request everyone not to get confused between XAB and the Forex platform. Forex platform is only an extension of XAB. It's an additional source of income for you and a way for you to expand your target audience, because now you can bring in traders and non-traders, everyone who wants to benefit from the regular market of forex trading, who want to go into something that's more regulated, who want to see where's the company register, where's the license, where's the head office. They can see all of that from our amazing forex trading platform, which is actually an award-winning platform. So and which is run by an amazing gentleman, Rohit, whom I've known for a number of years now, and he's got amazing work ethics. Plus, the way he's built this business at such a young age, I would say it's simply commendable. So, not just Forex, I think we can learn a lot from him in order to, in terms of how to set up and run a multi-million dollar business at such a young age. Thank you so much, Rohit. Over to you.
Thank you, Shweta. You're so kind. So amazing. All right. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you all. And before we begin, just want to know if you can hear me loud and clear. Just do some thumbs up, some woohoos, something, everything. Amazing, amazing. So I'm super excited about this call, guys. And this call is going to be super excited because you guys are going to learn a lot from today's call. And you will have a complete understanding about Forex. You will understand how the CRM dashboard work, how MT5 work, how copy trading system work, how you can diversify your portfolio, how you can manage risk management. So you are going to learn a lot. So I really, really need your full attention for next 30 to 40 minutes. So anything around you that might distract you, maybe you have some pets in the room, maybe you have a spouse that might distract you. You need to tell them for next half an hour, just please leave us for a half an hour, because you are going to enter an amazing call where you are going to, could potentially help you to scale a lot. So next half an hour to 40 minutes, I really need your full attention, because this is where you're going to learn, and it's going to help you to scale your business and take it to the next level. Now, for those who don't know me, my name is Rohit. I'm born and bred in Sweden. Currently, I'm in Dubai. I'm one of the founders of Avora Markets, and I've been in this industry for over a decade now. This is something I'm really passionate about. This is something I really, really love, because this industry has completely changed my life. It has given me so much in my life, helped me to scale in my life, helped me to travel the world. Things that once was just a dream has been able to accomplish those things through this industry, help my family. So this is our passion. This is what I do for living. This is what I will do for rest of my life. And this is something that really can benefit for you as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to share my screen with you all. Next half an hour to 40 minutes is going to be incredible. Like I said, full attention. Anything that might distract you, ask them to leave the room for next half an hour because you want to scale this business. Trust me when I say this, you don't want to miss this out. Let me share my screen 1 second. So I'm going to start with a small presentation briefly, and then we go into the dashboard trading, then we go into the copy trading, then we go through everything. But I'm going to give a little bit overview about what is Forex for those who don't know. So we are going to really go back to the basics and then work ourselves into the presentation. So let's start. Can you guys see the screen? Shiv, can you see the screen? Amazing. So Forex, what is Forex trading? Forex is the world's largest finance industries. Let's put it this way. Like Shweta said before, over $7.5 trillion are being traded every single day in this market. $7.5 trillion are being traded 5 days a week. This is by far the biggest financial market in the world. So Forex trading is basically buying and selling of the currencies where we make profit, where the trader analyze the market through their tools they have, through the experience they have, and where they can make money. The beautiful thing about this industry is whether the market is going up or it's going down, we can make money from buying and we can make money from selling. This is what's so amazing about this industry. Obviously, it's a skill. If you can develop this skill over time, which is not something that's just going to happen overnight, but it's actually a skill to have for life. If you understand how this business work, this industry work, you will never, ever, ever go broke in your life, let alone being broke, but you will actually be able to be in a position, whatever you desire, you can get it. Now, McKinsey has said by 2030, 65% of the jobs may be replaced by AI. Most of you people have already seen how the world is changing, where technology is going, how AI is taking over the world, which is absolutely amazing as well. I do a lot of traveling, but when I traveled out from Dubai, I don't even remember when I took out my passport last time from checking all the way I get to my seat on the plane. Everything's scanned, your eyes and everything. You do self check-ins. You do everything. Is so crazy how the world is changing. Even if you go to, for example, McDonald's, they're self services now. So having an extra income, I believe in today's state is a necessity. It's not a luxury because the world is not getting cheaper. Everything is getting more and more expensive. So having an additional stream of income, it's a necessity in today's state. Now, you can make so much from it, everything depending from your own personal effort, how much time you want to give, how much you want to learn. You can simply do this part-time and make more money than a full-time. There's so many tools, there's so many things you can use to really scale your income in this industry. Now, why Avora Markets? Avora Markets today is a top 100 financial institute, and our vision is to take Avora Markets to top 10 brokers in the world in coming years, and that's what we are working for day and night. And we know this is just a matter of time. And today you have this opportunity to be part of something that's absolutely growing rapidly. We are already today top 100 brokers in the world. We have been awarded with multiple different awards to being a customer friendly award for IB and so much more. We have an amazing customer service that will give you 24/7 around the clock. You'll have an amazing customer service as well. We have amazing RMs. We have amazing customer support, where you can reach out to them and they're more than happy to help you any issues you're facing, to solve your issues and help you to get started. Now, Avora Markets has flexible deposit and withdrawals. You can deposit with cryptocurrencies. You can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfer, Visa card, MasterCard, pretty much everything you can use for deposits and withdrawals as well. Now, the trading platform we are using, let me make my screen large better. So the trading platform we are using is MetaTrader 5, so-called MT5. MT5 is actually the world's most used trading platform. Traders absolutely love this platform. It's the most trusted and secure trading platform. It has so much features. It has very good execution, very, very advanced tool, which are amazing for the traders. And that's why MT5 is one of the most used trading platform. I would say 80+% of the traders in the world are using MT5. We have over 1,000+ instruments that you can trade. Now, Avora Markets, you will get also online educations. We have an amazing education system. You will also hear multiple times a week from different traders about their strategies, how they trade. There are also many traders also doing live trading sessions where you can come on the call when they're doing the live trading sessions, and you can, learn. You can earn at the same time. You can trade at the same time and trade with them live. So we have a lot of live sessions also happening weekly basis. Social trading platform we are going to talk about, and we're also going to talk about PAM and MAM account. Now, what's so amazing about social trading? Social trading, you really don't need any experience. If you don't understand how trading works, no problem. You can take full benefit of the traders, experienced traders, from whatever they have learned from past all these years. You can benefit from their experience. We have a simple automated system where you can, with one click, connect your account to these master traders, and when they execute trades, those trades will be executed onto your trading platform as well. So it's absolutely amazing. You can learn, you can earn at the same time. This is how I also got involved back in the days that the social trading was not so common, but now it's becoming more normal. Not every broker or platform is providing the social trading platform, but the way we have designed our social trading platform is super simple and to use. It's just literally one click, and I will show you how easy it's to use. Once you see the master traders are trading, once you see, the live trades on your platform, it will also help you to understand more and more about the market. This is not something you learn overnight, or you don't need to learn this overnight. It takes time. That's why you can benefit from the master traders. That's why you can benefit from the experienced traders, and they're getting a commission monthly basis. They're not on any salary whatsoever. They have to make you a profit and able for them to also earn money. So if they are not making profit, they are not making any commission whatsoever. And they're trading with their own money. They are not trading with their own money, with our money. No, they're trading with their own money. If you connected with them, they have to make your profit in order for them to make some profit as well. That's why it's so amazing. Your money is always in your control. It stays in your account. Nobody can get access to it apart from you, or if you want someone to have access. You decide when you want to deposit, when you want to withdraw. You decide your trade size, how much risk you want to take. You can use stop losses. You can take profits. You can trade 1,000+ instruments, crypto, indices, commodities, FX, metal, so much more, stocks. And you can also open multiple trading accounts in your dashboard where you can diversify your capital, where you can maximize your profits, and you can minimize your risks. It's so amazing. And I will show you how it works. So how you can make money? Many ways. In Forex, you can make money many ways. Now, I'm going to talk about is these specific 5 ways. Number one, trade. You can trade yourself. If you're a trader, you know how to trade. You're more than welcome to trade yourself, and you make money, by your own trading. Second way is social trading accounts, where you connect your accounts to a master trader, and when they trade, automatically trades are executed into your account. Then we also have PAM accounts, okay, which we will also talk about. Then we have rebate system, which so-called also IB commissions, introducing broker, and we have lifetime rewards. Excuse me. Now, what is IB rebates? I love IB rebates. They're so powerful. Anyone you introduced and they linked with your link, okay, when you register, you get a link, and anyone register with the link, or all of you already have that in your CRM, I will show you in your dashboard. So any person trading connected with you, whether it's a profitable trade or a losable trade, you are going to make a commission starting from $10 all the way up to $15 per standard lot. This is very powerful. And you guys are from the networking background, and I'm telling you, this is piece of cake from you. If you are making these commissions in IB and you're not making at least $50,000 a month, you're not pushing it or you're not trying. There are people making hundreds of thousands of dollars earning just $6, $7, $8 from standard lots. I know personally. So many brokers actually don't have level IBs when it comes to the broker. They simply have one or two or three levels maximum. But what we have done, we have increased this into 10 levels where you can earn deep down from your team up to $15 per lot. It's very, very, very powerful. And I'm going to break it down to you later during this call. Then we have something called lifetime rewards. Lifetime rewards are super, super powerful. This is on top of your IB commissions. So it becomes even more powerful. So as you can see, there is self, direct, and team. Okay, let me break it down to you how it works. Self lots. Let's take self lots as cashback. Any trade that are placed on your account, you're getting a commission back of your own trades. Let's say you're making profit from your trades, plus you make commission of your own trades. So once you have completed 5 standard lots, once you have completed 5 lots, you'll be rewarded with $5, meaning $1 a lot. Once you have done another 5 lots, in total you have 10 lots now. You are being rewarded with another $10. Once you have done another 10 lots, total 20. So it's accumulative lots. You are getting cash back on your own trades. How crazy is that? And I know many of you have never ever heard about this. And this is absolutely crazy. This will help you to scale your income even more. Apart from making profit on your own trades, you're also making cash back on your own trades, whether it's a losable or a profitable trade. Okay, it's based on lots, and these lifetime lots are designed to, help you get your team to start trading more and more lots, meaning you will make more and more IB commission on top of this lifetime rewards. Now, let's say you have people you have introduced directly. When they're also trading, you're also going to make all this money on top of that as well. Once your team has done 10 lots, you get $10. Another 30 lots, $30. 50 lots, $50. $1 a lot, and it goes all the way up to 10 million lots. And guys, what's so crazy about it? There is no time limit. You can do that in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year, in 10 years. There is absolutely no time limit. It's up to you. Obviously, the quicker you do, the quicker you can make money from it. But these lots are accumulating for life. And so with the team lots, once your team is growing, your lots are growing. I mean, we already see in Avora, we went live with this lifetime reward about 2 weeks ago. And there are already teams doing 10, 15, 20,000 lots monthly basis. So you can imagine how quickly this can scale up. And it will push your teams to trade more because then you as a IB will also make a lot more money. So the lifetime rewards, IB commissions are super, super powerful. These things are so simple, and I want you to keep them simple. I don't want you to overcomplicate things, how this works, how that works. I will try to break down everything for you in simple steps, and just it is what you see. There's nothing behind it. You are getting paid. Let me show you up to $15 per standard lot. And I'm also going to explain to you what lots are. And this is a hypothetical example. Just forget the timeline where you're saying timeline. This is just if you push it in 10 days, 10 members, you know. But let me break it down to you what it is. Let's say if you have introduced 10 people directly, and these 10 people are only doing one trade a day, one standard lot a day, you're making $2,000 passively a month. Just one trade, one lot a day, 10 people, that's it. But if you have 50 people doing the same thing, one trade a day, only for 20 days a month, is $10,000, and so on and so forth. Everything in this industry, you make money of lots. Anyone make a deposit, there's no money to be made. Anyone make a withdrawals, there's no money to be made. The brokers, the IBs, everyone makes money when the actually trade happens, when people are trading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the back office, and I'm going to show you how everything works, how you open your account, how you see. Where's my okay? So let's go to login page. So I'm going to use Zoe's dashboard. Okay. This is how a dashboard looks like. As you can see, there are multiple trading accounts open. Okay. And I'm going to break down each and everything in a very simple way. Okay. Once you log into your dashboard, this is where you will come. And what you need to do, first thing first, you need to request a wallet. And how do you do that? You come here, request new wallet. Okay. Demo, real, you're going to choose real. Now, this will come up, okay? These are the different type of accounts that we have in trading. Everything's to do with the spread. I'm not going to go into the trading education here. I want you to understand the system, the dashboard, so you can easily scale your business. Trading sessions where you're actually going to learn about trading, lot size, each and everything are different sessions. This is all about how you use MT5, how you use the dashboard, how you use the copy trading and everything. Okay. Now, there are different accounts. One is standard account. What is standard account? Standard account is if you wish to trade yourself, or if you know a trader, you want them to trade for you, you can open up a standard trading account, give them the logins, and they can trade for you. This is the standard account where you can trade yourself. Then we have a social trading account. What is social trading account? This is for the copy trading. Now, social trading is another word for copy trading. It's the same thing. I might sometimes say copy trading, sometimes social trading. So social trading and copy trading is exactly the same thing. Now, the social trading account is what you need to open and your team needs to open if they want to copy someone's trades. You will not be able to trade yourself on the social trading account. Okay. But again, the trades are full in your control, meaning you can close the trades at any time. And the margin, I would say, keep 1 is to 200. Is 1 is to 300 or 1 is to 200? It's more than enough. You don't need to have more exposure in the market. Bigger the leverage, bigger the risk. So 1 is to 200 is absolutely perfectly fine. Most of the biggest traders, they also use this if you don't want to expose too much into the market. So just choose 1 is to 200. It's absolutely fine. So you need to open social trading account if you want to follow someone. Again, you won't be able to trade yourself, but again, the trades are always still in your control. Okay, you can close trades anytime. You see, this trader is in profit. I want to close it, close it. No, it's in drawdown. I don't want to take more risk. You want to close the trade. You can do it. So all you need to do, once you choose a social trading account, you click on select and you click on proceed. Once you have done that, you go back to your dashboard. At this stage, you would receive an email from Avora Markets. That email will be from Avora Markets with the login details for the MT5, MetaTrader 5. It will give you a number like this, 56784, and an investor password and a master password. Master password is basically where you have full control over your account. Investor password is view only password. Nobody can do anything. If you want to give anyone password just to look at the trading, you always give them a investor password and you keep your master password for yourself. Okay. Now these passwords are very complicated. What you can also potentially do if you want to change this password, you can simply go to, for example, these three dots. Let's say you want to change for this account, social trading account. You click on these three dots and you go to change the account password. This account password is not for the dashboard. There are two different platform, and don't mix and match them. One is the CRM. This is the CRM where you deposit, where you withdraw, where you do internal transfer, where you will open the trading accounts from, where you get all the reports, everything you manage from here. All the trades get executed on MT5, MetaTrader 5. So you can go to your App Store, Google Play, and you can download MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Okay. And there, once you have downloaded it, it will ask you for search broker. You simply write Avora Markets. That's our server name, Avora Markets. Okay. And once you have done that, then you will put your trading account number, whatever trading account number has been generated to you. And the password will be in email. But if you wish to change the password and you say, oh, I cannot find the password, just come to your dashboard. Okay. Click on these three dots, change the account password. And here is asking for the trader room password. Trader room password is your dashboard password, this dashboard password. So you write whatever the dashboard password is, you write the new password, and you simply click on change password. You can generate the password from here as well. Okay. But make sure to have a number and have a special character in that. If you want to change the investor password, remember I told you there are master password, investor password. You can also simply change the investor password as well. Okay. Again, the same way to change it. Then you will have a new password. If you want to give name to your accounts, for example, this account, you want to call it any name you want to change it, you can just rename the account, whatever wallet. For example, you can simply name as well if it makes things easier for you. Now, this is how you open up an account. Okay. Now, let's say you have connected this account to a master trader and you have another trader you want to follow. What can you do? Again, same process. Come to request new wallet, real. Let's say you have $10,000. For example, you want to diversify this $10,000 into four different traders, $2,500, $2,500 times four. Open four of the social trading accounts. And then in each social trading account, you put 2,500, 2,500, 2,500 simply. Okay. And then you can also do internal transfer. So let's say you have put $10,000 in one account, but now you wish to move $10,000 because this account is not 2FA activated. That's why I cannot do it. So you need to activate the 2FA in order to do withdrawals and in order to do the internal transfer. Okay. So once you do internal transfer, it will ask you from which wallet to which wallet. So let's say in this account, you have put $10,000. Now you want to take out 2,500 to this wallet. So it will ask you from which wallet, from wallet 196490 to wallet 192501, 2,500. And it will be done in a split second. Now you can connect this account to another master trader. I will show you how to connect that. Okay. How you actually make a deposit. Very simple. You simply click on deposit. You choose which account you want to deposit. You might have 4, 5, 6 accounts, 7 accounts. Deposit into that amount you wish to deposit. Okay. And you choose USDT TRC20, BEP, USDC, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Master card, Visa card, anything you wish to choose. You just simply choose and you click on deposit. Now, there is an amazing promotion going on. We have extended it, and this is for the first time deposit only. Okay. The promo code is ZAB. I'm going to double check it if it's still active. If not, I'll make sure it's done. So you just simply write ZAB on this account is already been used, so that's why it's coming like this, and you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, automatically the 30% will be added to your trading account. Now, please keep in mind this promotion, this 30% is only for the first time deposit. It's not for the second, it's not for the third. And if you make any withdrawals, this 30% will be deducted from your account automatically. It's default by system. We cannot do anything. And it's for the security purpose. Why? Someone deposit 10,000, they get 3,000 and they want to withdraw the 10,000 and just trade with 3,000. It doesn't work like that. System does not work like this. Or what people try to do, they deposit 10,000, transfer, and they get 3,000 and they deposit 10,000 internally to another account and they just want to trade with 3,000. No, it doesn't work like this. This 3,000, this 30% is given to you where you can leverage a lot more. You can trade with it. You can fully use it. You can make money off it. It's real money, but you cannot trade just with the 30%. A lot of people, they make a deposit and try to withdraw the initial amount. If when you try to do that, the bonus will be revoked by default by the system. Okay. So all you have to simply do is just click deposit and the money will be added into your account instantly. So this is how the deposit works as well. Now, let's talk about excuse me, let's talk about the social trading. If you go to the left here, you will see the social trading account. Create master. If anyone wants to become a master trader, you can become a master trader by simply clicking on create master. Then you have my subscriptions. My subscriptions mean basically it will show you all the traders you are following. If you're trading one follower trader, two trader, three, all these traders will come up here once you click on. For example, this account is following Gold Hunter. Then you have something called browse signals. This is where you browse who are the master traders in the system. Okay, I am not a financial advisor, but I use common sense and I ask you to do the same. It's very simple. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio. Past results does not mean also guarantee the future results. Market is very unpredictable. Things can happen. Things can quickly change. So what you want to do is you want to diversify your portfolio. That's why I said if you have $10,000, for example, or $4,000, put thousand with different traders, $2,500 with different traders. Okay. So what you want to do here is what a lot of people try to do. They always try to follow someone with the high returns. We recently started copy trading 5, 6 months ago. That's why the oldest data you will see is only about 5 to 6 months. Okay. But most of those traders I've seen, I have some FX accounts and I've seen it, how long they've been trading, and they have done amazingly well as well. So, I can also share their previous results in the groups as well. No problem. Okay. Now, don't chase the traders with the high performance. Or this person is doing 50% a month. Let me follow this. No, you are looking for consistency. Someone who is doing 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12% a month, but he's consistent. Instead, work on your capital. Let's say you're making 10% a month. If you deposit $100, 10% a month, you won't feel it. It's only $10. But if you deposit $1,000, you're making $100 a month passively. it might not even be a life changing. But if you deposit $10,000 and you're making $1,000 a month passively, things starts to change. $1,000 a month is $1,000 a month on top of your capital. In Europe, Sweden, UK, you'd be lucky to get 6%, 7% a year on your property if you rent it out. You'd be lucky. So if you're making it anything beyond 6, 7% a month, it's wow. It's on top of your capital, which is in your control. You can withdraw at any time. So work instead on your capital. Don't chase high returns. You can chase high returns, and I'll show you how you can chase high returns. What I do, so you can do the same. Again, I can only share what I do. The end decision is yours, who you want to follow. So you simply see what other master traders, okay, for example, this guy, Gold King Trader, 221%. And, let's go to performance. Click on performance. In 3 weeks, in 3 weeks, okay, this week he's down 18%. But overall, his 3 weeks return, because he's only been live 3 weeks, is 220% in just 3 weeks. He's a high risker. Gold Hunter, he's in the business for 16 weeks. It's 4 months. He's up 200%. But last month overall, he went down 58%. But still, he's still up 200%. It's consistent. It's in 4 months. 200%. Is he amazing? It's absolutely amazing. Then we have Rapid TradeX. In 5 weeks, he's up 104% in 5 weeks. It's absolutely amazing. Then we have Jerome. Jerome is up 8%. Jerome's risk management is brilliant, only down less than 2%. ProTrade in 12 weeks, 61, almost 62% up in 12 weeks. Absolutely amazing. So those are the traders you can choose. Mima, Swiss trader, 6 weeks, 15% in 6 weeks. Absolutely amazing. So if you have a capital, I always advise my people to diversify it into different traders where you can benefit the most from it. Don't trade everything with one. In God forbid, maybe one trader is losing, trade went the other way, but other traders are also making. Your overall goal should be around 8 to 10% a month consistent. Doesn't matter who traded lost, and this will also able to identify, let me put a little bit more money with this trader. Let me put a little bit more money with this trader. Once you start identifying these traders, which works for you best, and there are a lot more traders on the way. For example, now this Viking Gold, he's in his first week and he's done 5% already. Now, there's another amazing trader that has started, HRC Algo. I'll share his results. He's from Netherlands. He's managing currently a portfolio over 10 million euros. He's an absolutely amazing trader. He have just started to, I've seen all his history. I've seen what he has done in the past. He's an amazing trader. And you will also hear from some of these traders. They come on the live Zoom calls where they talk about the strategy, just like Puyan came yesterday. Puyan is an amazing trader. He made $100,000. He made a withdrawal. Now he starts again, from $100 to $100,000 in a couple of weeks. Amazing. Boom. It doesn't happen often, but it happens. Imagine if you were following his trade by that time when he made that happen. So sometimes in trading, it goes crazy, but give it a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days doesn't say anything. Test at least 1 month, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months trade, then where you want to diversify your money. Trademaster, 21 weeks and is up by 23%. Maybe something good for the big. He's consistent 4 or 5% a month, and he's doing good with that. 21 weeks. So absolutely amazing. So this is how simply you can analyze the trader you want to follow. Once you click on any trader, let's say I click on Pro Trader. Okay, I want to follow Pro Trader. And it's saying here, performance fee, 25%, minimum balance 100. So this trader is saying to follow my trades, have a balance of minimum $100, and I charge 25% performance fee. So meaning if you make whatever profit he makes you, his cut will be 100 and um, sorry, 25%. He have to make you profit. If he doesn't make you profit, there's no money for him. He's trading with his own money. So overall, he's up 61%, almost 62%. So what you can simply do is whoever trader you decide to follow, you simply just click on, let me see, for example, if, because in this account, okay. So all you simply do is click on follow. It will come to this page. It will ask you, let's say you have 4 different accounts, right? Which account you want to connect to this trader? You want to connect this account. Next. Fixed lot or proportional by equity. Excuse me. What is fixed lot? You decide the size of the trade. Let's say this trader open up a trade on one standard lot, but you have written a 0.01 or 0.02 or 0.05 or zero point 0.1. All your trades will execute with this trade size. If you have written as 0.01, all your trade will execute at 0.01. 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, these are called micro lots. Then you have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, etc., etc. These are called mini lots. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are called standard lots. Okay. You will hear more. You will get very good education for free. Trust me, I have paid in the past tens of thousands of dollars to get education and I didn't learn anything. And we are giving them for free. You will hear some from amazing educators during this week, next week, every week. They're coming in the calls and doing amazing education call where they teach you basics about trading. Once you start understanding the basics about trading, you will start understanding what other traders actually doing. Everything will make sense. So this is fixed lots. You choose the size of the trade. Then you have proportion by equity, which is used by the most. What is proportion by equity? Is simply the percentages. Master trader account is big, your is small, but it will work with percent. If he makes 10% profit, you make 10% profit. If he make loss 2%, you lose 2%. The lot sizes are adjusted automatically. Okay. Then we have reverse copy. Reverse copies, if trader put buys, it will come as a sell on you. If they put sell, it will come as a buy on you. So that's reverse. Then we have follow, just as it is. Whatever the trader does, you want to do the same way. You just keep it here. Follow SLNTP. Next. Terms and condition about the copy trading. Scroll down, sign, and click on finish. Once you have done that, you are now connected with the trader. If he has any running trades, obviously they will not be connected to your account, but any new trades he take, it will be connected on your accounts. For example, a lot of you following Jerome, you saw all the trades he took today. He took a few trades today, 1 or 2, and he made some profit. You guys also made some profit. Now, sometimes what happens, everything's run on an internet connection, right? You might have a bad connection. You are somewhere, or maybe you're in some other country, or you're traveling, and master traders take a trade. If the trade does not execute within 5-6 seconds, that trade will not execute on your MT5. Why? Risk management. Because in that time, market might have moved a lot. So it's not something is wrong. No, it's just a pure risk management. If it went beyond 6 seconds, the trade will not be executed on your account, because by that time market might has moved, either directions quite a bit. So it can, because it's all to do with internet connection. You need internet connection for the trade to get executed. Everything is done with the APIs, etc. So this is how simple the copy trading system works. So on the traders room dashboard, okay, then you will see here on the dashboard, you will see here a symbol like a chain, that means now this account is connected to a trader. And then you can simply just go to my subscriptions. Like I told you, social trading, my subscription. It will also tell you who you are following. Internal transfer here, and here you'll see your total account balance here. On partners room, dashboard. Here you will see your IB commissions, your if anyone wants to you want to introduce, they want to sign up. This is the link you're going to share. You will have your own specific link. You click here, you copy this link, and you send this link to them. They register with it, they automatically connect it to your account. Simple. When they start to trade, you will make your commission. Any single trade that happens, you are making commission of every single trade. Again, doesn't matter profitable or losable. Okay, so this is how the IB dashboard works. Then on reports, if you come here down to reports, you can see a lot of things. Customers. On customers, you can see deposit, withdrawals, open trades, closed trades, commission report. For example, if I click on commission report, it will come up here. Let's say today this account made $45 commission. Last month this account made 2.5K commission. If I click on here, for example, commission, and it show each and everything, what commissions from where it has made, the name, everything is here. And you can, if you want to even go into the details from the commission you have made, you can simply just click on details, and it shows you which date, how much commission you made from each trade. So from this trade made $7, from this trade made $32, from this trade made $22. So everything depends on the trade. Guys, let me tell you something very, very crazy, which I have experienced, okay? How powerful IB rebates are. There was a gentleman from China, okay, in another broker, and I know them very well. I have witnessed it myself. They deposited $250,000 to trade, okay? And this Chinese guy, he's a good trader. He traded 3 months with this account. I'm not going to talk about the profits he made, but guess how much IB commissions he made from $250,000. Remember, in this industry, it's not about what's your deposit, it's how much trades are happening. Today, you deposit $1 million, there's nothing for the broker. Broker only start to make, IBs only start to make when the trades start to happen, right? Over $3 million in commission in 3 months from $250,000 account. They flew him out on a private jet here in Dubai on Sheikh Zayed Road and gave him the check and done a huge yacht party. I was there. From $250,000 to $3 million just in commission. We have seen the clients depositing $2,000, $3,000, but their sponsors are making $5,000, $6,000 a month from them because they have so much trades. So you can make 5, 10 times more money than the initial deposit. That's so crazy about this game. And it's not only 1 week, 2 weeks. No, these clients can keep giving you money for years and years and years ahead. I'm also registered at IC Market. Someone I registered in 2018. That gentleman is still trading on IC Market today. I'm still getting commissions since 2018. But the shit thing is, sorry, my language, they're only giving $2 IB commission. It doesn't fit, but I'm still getting commission since 2018. How crazy is that? So this is why this industry is absolutely amazing. So this is how the commissions and everything work as social trading. So everything you will learn step by step is so simple. You will get used to it. It's nothing too complicated. But this business is for life. It's a skill for life to develop. This will go on forever and never and never. And there's no limit how much you can grow into it. And I promise you, to making $10,000, $15,000 a month there, even if you have like 40, 50 clients, 60 clients, it's very much doable. Very much doable. Everything is about trade. Get your teams to trade, earn those lifetime rewards, get the lots in, and you will make a lot of money. Even on the orders, you can see if there are any orders happening. Now, here are no orders, so that's why it's not showing any orders. So each and everything you will see here. Now, on MT5, okay, this is how an MT5 looks. If you have not downloaded MT5, please download MT5. Go to your app store, download the MT5, okay, and search for Avora Markets, and you can literally see all the trades. For example, look, these all the trades today on one count. I was showing Ash was here that one client alone on around $9,000 account managed to do over 150 lots in one single day. 150 lots in one single day. So if that's your direct, that means you have made over $1,500 direct from one client. And he didn't make much profit. He only made about $2,000 profit, but still $2,000 in profit, $1,000 500 in commission. You know, so all these things, it's once you find the rhythm, you see the traders. So all is like use, okay, your little bit brain, use your sense. No, I'm not going to put $10,000 one account. Diversify your income. I mean it, because don't put your eggs in one basket. What, maybe one trader, I'm paid commission to trader because their past results are so incredible, but what's going to happen tomorrow we don't know. So we want to go secure. You have to protect your capital like you protect your life. You want to make this capital grow, and only you can do that by diversifying the capital. One trader might take 20% risk, one trader might take, like Jerome, 2% risk, one trader might take 10%. Every trader has its own um, ways to trade. What you need to do is, for next couple of weeks, you need to come on each and every single call. Any traders are doing the calls, just come, connect the team, and you will start to understand the psychology of the traders. You feel comfortable with them, put some money with them. So my personal clients, okay, I'm going to stop the recording now. So, okay, my personal clients, I have clients worth over $500,000, $1 million. I also have clients who have deposited up to $7 million, one clients. So what I do, I make them diversify. Some of them trade themselves, some of them they follow the copy trading, but then I also have an account for the risk where I want to double this account in 2, 3 weeks. So I go very secure with the large capital, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, and then I will keep 2, 3,000 on the side. Let me go double on this one. I can take a risk on $1,000. Only take a risk what you can afford to lose, and it will not hurt you. Make some profit, take out this profit, put it with the high risk. You see, this guy is performing too much. Put it there. Once you make some profit, withdraw some profit. Withdraw these profits and then let it grow. So, because I've done from 5 to 10, 15K in a night. I do these things now and then because I can afford to lose $5,000. Everything is on your affordability. You go secure, couple of $1,000 put on the risky ones to make a lot more as well. And it will give you a lot more IB commissions as well. But again, there are amazing traders on the way, big, big, big traders with big academies and everything. We have some amazing things lined up for you. And guys, also, now we are 120 people on this call. If you guys have good traders and you know these traders are good, please introduce them to me. Why? I will explain them everything. And our platform is a dream platform for traders. Okay, they can make good money with us. And these traders are good. You can follow these traders as well. So we are always looking for decent, good traders. Why? Because we want to help community to make money. If we can help you consistently make 10, 20% a month, 15% a month, you are going to talk to everyone. Okay, there are good traders. Connect with it. And that's exactly what we want. We want to grow on the volume. We work on the volume. We work on the lots. We don't make money on deposit withdrawals. We only make money when the trades are happening. More trades are happening, more people are trading, more volume is growing, more everyone is making. So we're always looking for good traders. And I know everyone knows traders. So if you have good traders, recommend them. Let me speak with them. And trust me, no trader will go from here without registering because we have such a powerful platform. So having said that, I pretty much have covered everything you need to know. Share with everyone. If you have not connected your account with any trader yet, I see a lot of deposit. Many people has not connected with the master traders yet. Go connect. If you have an account more than $3, $4, $5,000, diversify that into different traders. Diversify into 2 different traders. So that would be great. What we can do is we can take few questions. It's 12 o'clock midnight here. I'm still in the office, just for all you lovely people, you know. So, okay, I see a lot of hands are going up. Okay. Are you guys able to unmute yourself? Okay, let me see if I can control the settings. One second. Okay, one second. Record. One second. So I'm trying to. Can we stop recording, first of all? Whoever's recording? Otherwise, it's getting too big, this file.
Thank you so much, Rohit, for that exceptional call. This was really, really, really informative. I'm sure that everyone, got to learn a lot from this call. Um, Let me just. Okay, for some reason, we're not able to stop the recording. I don't know where is it being recorded. Okay, anyway. So thank you so much for that very informative call, Rohit. I'm sure that everyone got to learn a lot. They understood the system, how to follow the master traders, which is very important. And for those, I know that we've got some excellent traders here on the call. So they're pretty excited as well to log into the system and actually show people become master traders so that other people can follow them. We've got some raised hands here, a few questions. Although we're running out of time, let's quickly take a few questions. um, Let me unmute Anya. If you can you unmute yourself?
Yes, I can.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. That was a great, great training. And now it is copied, so I hope we have the recording very soon. But will there be also a few tutorials for later to use for our members? Because I think you will not repeat all the time the same thing. Is that possible? Rohit, are you there?
Rohit, yes, you can unmute yourself, please.
Sorry, I wasn't able to unmute myself. Yes, definitely there will be tutorials. There will be more Zoom sessions, like I mentioned, about trading itself, but also about the overview, about the platform, until guys get fully used to it. If within few days you will understand everything. It's so easy. You will have everything you need.
Great, great. Yeah, because we are here with a Dutch group, it's also important to have everything in English, you know. So that's we
Of
are
course.
looking for. And I have another question. Yes, you say the brokers use their own money, but our money is in there. I don't see how that works.
Traders use their own money to trade.
Yeah,
Yes, so traders use their own money to trade. So when you connect your account with a master trader, It's only connecting their trades, but your money is staying in your account. So when they put a trade executed on your account.
But they do not have access to your account. They do not have access to your money. They don't even know how much money you have in what account. It's only the trade that gets copied on your account. You have complete control of your funds, your account. You can withdraw them whenever you want. You can close the trades whenever you want. It's completely up to you.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, it's not because of the suspicious side, but more the technical side, how it's working, you know?
Yes.
So it's
No,
basically,
technically it's
the
good.
signal from their trade that gets copied to your account. That's it.
Uh-huh. Yes, yes, I understand. Thank you.
You're
That's
welcome.
for
Now
now.
we've got Jim who's raised hand. Jim, please go ahead and ask your question. You should be able to unmute yourself.
Okay, there we are. Could you specifically show me how to move the XRP from the XRP AI bot platform to this platform?
Okay, sure. So we've got separate training sessions for that, and like in the last session we had, I showed that step by step. We'll do that again. I will tell you very briefly. The reason for that is we're running out of time. Basically, whenever you put a withdrawal request through your fund wallet, through your commission wallet, you get two options. One is XRP, and the second one is Forex. If you click on Forex, enter the amount, and hit submit, that money comes to your Forex account.
Okay, I'll give that a shot.
Yes. Okay, we've got the frequency lady.
Hello, my name is
Hi.
Rita, and thank you for a very nice presentation. Yeah, I have also the same question as the last one, but I have one more because I have put some money into the Avora and in SAB, and I was trying to separate onto what is social trading, but it was not possible.
Okay,
You
so
have
did you want to like make different accounts, like separate the funds to divide them under
Uh,
different
I,
accounts
I,
or what?
I was trying to, I get the withdrawal to one account, but I try to have it on two so I can follow two instead of one.
I can definitely help you with this. I don't know if you're in any group and you have my WhatsApp number.
I am in
And
Avora group.
yeah,
On
you can just write
You can
there
post your
and
question there, and the team
I
shall
will
be
help
able to
you.
help you.
It's very simple. It only takes like 20 seconds. I will help you to do that.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
we've
you.
got Roald
No problem.
Stefan here who wants to ask a question. Please go ahead.
Hello, I want to ask you if you already follow a trader and you want to change the percentage of risk, how can it's possible?
Okay, so what you do is basically when you open browse My Strategies on the right hand side, you will say Edit Signal, and there you will see to change the percentages.
Okay, thank you. And can I have the one group of Avora or something if I have some questions, WhatsApp group or something? Because I didn't have any type of groups or something if I have some questions.
Yes, I'm sure someone should be able to add you into the Avora groups.
Okay.
Uh, s- uh, Someone who can add you is just speak with someone who introduced you, and
Okay,
most of people have
Julia is
access.
We
there, and I think Julia can add him to the group. Julia can
okay.
add
I will
Stefan.
ask Julia. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Shweta, if you add me, please, so I can give them the information. Thank you so much.
Perfect.
And guys,
Okay.
you can always send the email. We do our best to have a reply to email within 1 hour, or even the support tickets are very efficient. You can just have internal message as well. So you can always use that channel as well.
Okay, great. We've got Jane here who wants to ask something. Jane, please go ahead. Jane, did you want to ask a question? Okay, if not, we've got Peter here wants to ask a
Hello?
question. Go ahead, Peter. Yeah, Jane, do you want to ask a question?
Okay, yeah, now it's working. Now it's working. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much. That webinar was absolutely fire. I mean, I'm just so excited because people don't understand how incredible this opportunity is, and I do. But I had a question because we do have a lot of people who do have questions and who do need support and technical support. Is it possible to create a Avora Markets WhatsApp group for tech support with your support people specifically that are in the WhatsApp group from Avora Markets so that they can be there just to answer all of these individual questions that everybody is constantly having, because otherwise it's just going to be really overwhelming for us to try. Do you understand what I'm
So there
saying?
should be a back office
So
support system with Avora as well. That would, because, even in a group now, it becomes difficult if there are like too many people posting in the group. It confuses people as well. So I'm sure that there is a back office support system with Avora that people can use for individual questions. But yeah, as leaders, we can have some, fast track channels in a way, additional support that in case there's anything that is not getting resolved through support tickets or anything, then we can always post on those channels. But that should always be escalations that are not being resorted through the regular channel. So the first resort should be to go to back office support system and, raise a ticket, even if it's about Avora, then to Avora and try and get it. That is the fastest way because it's direct communication and it goes to the correct person. Wherein even if we have like a WhatsApp group, then on a WhatsApp group, it's impossible to keep a track of, who posted, whom to reply and all. And it confuses people because imagine 10 people posting question in a thread and then just replying, person doesn't know whose response is that, etc., etc. And again, there are some private account information that we would not want to divulge over, like, on a WhatsApp group. So the first point of contact should be your back office support system. If there's anything that doesn't get resolved through back office support, then of course that can be escalated and we'll have channels for that. We've got Robin who wants to ask a question. Robin, go ahead, please.
Thanks, Shweta. Can you hear me okay?
Very well.
Okay, I'm at the gym, but I'm listening in and very good job. Excellent presentation by Rohit. Question, if I've invited people onto here, but they are not yet in XAB Club, how do they get connected? Because can they go to avora.com and sign up themselves without the connection through XAB Club? You understand the question?
Yes,
Yeah.
you can share them your link you have on Avora. Share them that link and they can directly sign up from that link.
Yeah, but can they sign up directly to Avora without my link at this time because they jumped on the Zoom?
They can sign up directly as an IB because for example, in XAB system, you always need a referral code to sign up. But Avora system, because anybody can freely sign up as an IB, they can do that. But they shouldn't be doing that. The reason is when they sign up through your link, they automatically have access to the team that you'll be building probably underneath them. So they will benefit from the entire structure rather than just their own trades or small little things. So it is not advisable, it's not beneficial for them to sign up directly rather than signing up from the structure with your link. It'll be more beneficial for them if they sign up through your structure. Plus, there are many benefits that they only get when they sign up through XAB, not directly. That's the deal we have with, the Forex partners. There are many exclusive deals and not just right now, from time to time, that they will only get when they through XAB. So it is more beneficial for them to sign up through the system. Even if they're not active in XAB, that's okay. As long as they're in the structure, they go through your link, they will have more benefits.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, last question of the day because, we're already late for our next call. Salim, please go ahead.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you very much. And to us, Rohit, it's a wonderful presentation. It's very explanatory, and we would like to have this recording as well. Thank you. And my question is how the what do you call the IB commissions structure will work, what they need to do.
Okay, so for IB commission, it's very simple. One, for direct commission, there is absolutely no requirement or condition. Anybody that you sign up directly, who signed up directly with your link, whenever they place a trade or a trade is placed on their account, you get $10 per standard lot. To earn from the level commission, you need to have a balance in your account of $1,000. You might or might not choose to trade with it. As long as you have $1,000 balance, you will benefit from the entire 10 level commission structure. Okay, so we've taken many questions today. Thank you so much once again, Rohit, for the amazing call. Again, you explained everything in great details. Thank you, all the participants, for being so attentive. Your questions reflect that you've been paying attention and did not just, press the snooze button. I know this call has gone on for a really, really long time, and we still have such great attendance. That's phenomenal. Thank you so much, everyone. Now, tomorrow is an off day. The bot, is off for calibration. You can turn the trading on. There will be no call tomorrow because we want to give you all the time. And the system changes from Wednesday on. You start receiving airdrop. Wednesday, 7 p.m., we have our XAB call. It's a very, very, very important call. Again, we'll have amazing updates from the launch event. Also some exciting new things coming in. So make sure that you're available, block your calendar for 7 p.m. UK time. Link is going to be the same. It's zoom.zabclub.live. 7 p.m. UK time on Wednesday. See you guys. Thank you. Good night.